All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol GEBO, Gevo Inc. And before we get started in this chart, I want to state some things. And the first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative and worthwhile. If you feel encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support, recognition to my efforts, as well as your feedback. That speaks in high volumes from your guys in, and I hope to continue to post helpful, informative information for you guys so we can all learn and grow as we join in this journey of investing, as well as maximize profits and minimize losses. And I expect nothing less from my end so that you guys can learn and grow from these videos. All right, let's jump in to this chart. Very bearish run, fell below the 50-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average is still above the closing price. This closed out at 110. The 50-day moving average is 126. I'd write that down. Very important to keep in mind. As long as it stays below it, the bears are in control. So support was broken through. It was turned into a resistance. It broke through at one moment of the day, which was literally 126, which is the 50-day moving average now. And it just dipped from there, closing at 110. So let's move our support level and resistance level to its new locations. And honestly, one of the most important resistance levels right now for the bulls is 126. It's the highest point after the recovery, and it turns out to be the 50-day moving average. They're going to want to turn that into a support so they can get back into bullish territory and hit newer highs. So that is something to keep in mind. I'm going to go ahead and move this exactly to their points of reference, and there we go. So it closed out at 110. The bulls, before they get to 126, which is the 50-day moving average and one of the most pivotal moments to turn this around and get back into bullish territory, the bulls are going to want to break through 119, which is the highest point before and then after this rejection. So before the rejection happened, and this is the most important point after seeing this rejection. So 119 needs to be broken by the bulls, turn into a support so they can start to work their way up to newer highs. On the other spectrum of things, the bears. The bears are going to want to break through 102. That's going to bring it down to lower levels of support. And once 102 is broken through, it's moving further away from the 50-day moving average. And the bears are just continuing to dominate this one by bringing this to newer lows as well. 102 is one of the lowest points this stock has reached since this bullish run. I mean, keep in mind, on the 19th, it jumped from 54 cents all the way up to 217, and then the highest point, 220. So 102 is significant. It's the lowest point that this stock has reached since this bullish run and high peak. And here we are. So if 102 gets broken through, pay close attention to how this is actually reacting and how quickly is it moving to newer lows, because the bears will be pulling this one down further away from the 50-day moving average if they can break through the support. We're going to have to see how this one plays out tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button, but don't forget to click on the bell. If you found this video helpful and informative, click the like button and let me know you watched this video. Share this with your friends and community, and let's make some money.